my name's Robert Nardoni, and I live here with my wife, Ann Nardoni. We developed a slab leak on September 16th, 2022. It was actually discovered on September 16th. Been leaking for a while before that, before we discovered it. Our experience with our insurance company has been nothing short of a nightmare. They have repeatedly not answered questions, direct questions with, "We can't answer that right now." Anytime I've asked them about billing, we're still reviewing it. That guy told me that after 6 weeks of having the bill. It's just nothing. It's a delay practice or procedure that they go through to wear the customer down, to do what they want and not what the customer wants or has in their contract. What's going to happen next? What's being done? Even an estimate of a time frame. Our insurance company has not given us any of that information. We called in an emergency plumber who came in the next day. It was Big B's Plumbing. They capped the leaking elbow in our pipes and recommended Home Perfect as the mitigation company and restoration company. Your crew right from the beginning explained all the procedures to us. You were open about every question we had. You guys found an answer for it. You were the only reassuring feeling that somebody was looking out after us. Your mitigation crew were fabulous. They came in here very efficiently, removed all of the damaged flooring and walls, and every single one of them was ultra polite. I mean, you guys really were a pleasure to be around. The approval process was pretty much all done on your side. They wouldn't even work with me. You know, it's like I felt like a third world nation. They just, tossed me off to the side and says, "Oh, well, we'll feed him whatever crumbs they want to feed me." And you guys are the only one that gave us information. From our experience so far, somebody working with a company, independent company like Home Perfect, much better than anything that an insurance company is going to send you, because those companies work under the table for the insurance companies, and I don't think you're going to get the quality of workmanship and care that you would with Home Perfect.